Hello and welcome to My Tech Studio. Let's learn today how to auto-format a table in MS Excel. Generally, when we need to format a table, we select the table, we go to the border section to apply border to our table, and then we can fill the colors. For this, select the column or row, go to the color option and insert the color. You can fill the row or column in this way with your colors. But it's a little difficult and non-professional. I'm going to teach you a professional way how to format a table automatically. Select the table and then use the shortcut keys. Press Alt O and then A from your keyboard. This dialog box appears. From the dialog box, choose any format and click OK. Your table will be automatically formatted. Again, if you want to change, same, select the table, press Alt O and then A, and you get this dialog box. You can choose any format from here. Let's practice it again. Select the table, Alt, O and A, press from your keyboard. You get this dialog box, and here you can select the format of the table, press OK, so your table is automatically formatted. Use these shortcuts practically to be a professional. Thanks, goodbye.